shower. So, yeah.
Those are the first things they told us in wildfire training. They do a job, they'll let you know if you hit the ground because that shit will knock you.
Yeah, that's tough. All that
You can
weight,
get a
I
concussion.
imagine.
A concussion from water.
Yeah. Oh no, you can snap, you can break your neck and stuff if it hits you bad. It's like a cement
That
brick falling.
plane just released something. Oh no, that's a jet way up in the sky. Way far away. Oh, I don't know if it's...
More. Yeah, this must have gotten bigger or something. It doesn't look like it from here. If you go down there, you can really see it.
I don't think the wind's from
Hopefully this will stop the shooting.
Well, why don't they let it burn if it's not hurting anything?
It's burning up the hill.
the wind might change and like shift around.
Oh, the water tender. Cal fire from Warner's.
Yeah,
There it goes.
Yeah.
You send that to Savannah?
I'll put it to my YouTube channel.
Oh, you got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What's it called?
It's just,
Kenny shit.
yeah. It's my email address.
Oh, it's Ken Flo.